The second question now. See, the second question is like the length of a rectangular garden is 5 by 4 times its breadth. Now see guys, we have what we have in that word problem, a rectangular garden. So first of all read the first line and arrange this question accordingly. So suppose this is a rectangular garden we have, and you know this is your length and this is your breadth. In that case, what they have given, the situation regarding length they have given. Okay, so how much length is they have given to you? Length of rectangular garden is 5 by 4 times its breadth. Means here you don't have given a breadth. So first of all what we will do, we'll assume the breadth as x. Okay, so let breadth of the rectangle is x. So what will be its length? Length is nothing but they have strictly given you 5 by 4 times its breadth. Length is how much? It is 5 by 4 times its breadth. Means take up length as a 5 by 4 times its breadth. Breadth means what? It is nothing but your x. Now what they have given, the expenditure for 4 layered wiring around the garden. So this question is related to perimeter obviously, because they have taken a 4 layered wire around the garden. Okay, so 4 layered means what? First of all this is your x, that is breadth. Length is nothing but 5 by 4 times of x. So from here we will first of all find out the perimeter. Perimeter of this rectangle is nothing but a formula you have. It is nothing but 2 times length plus breadth. From that 2 times put your value of length, that is 5 by 4 x, plus your breadth is how much? It is x. If we'll do the cross multiplication of this one, if, and we'll multiply it by 2, we'll get it as a 9x by 2. Okay, so 5 ones are 5 plus 4, that is 5 plus 4 9. 9 by 4, look, 2 into 9x by 4, so it is 2 ones are 2 twos are, means in that way 9x by 2 you will get. Okay, so that is nothing but what is this? Your perimeter. So here you got the perimeter. Now again come to the question, what they have given, the expenditure for the 4 layered wiring around the garden at rupees 360 per meter, means this is 9x by 2 meter. So if you take a one round, you will get a rupees 360 for this wiring. So likewise you are taking the 4 rounds, and one round is for how much cost, how much they are costing, it is 360 rupees. So for this 9x by 2 you are taking the 4 rounds, means each meter is requiring 36 rupees. Look here, rupees 36 per meter. Likewise you have 9x by 2 meter, so 9x by 2 multiply by 36. Again how much rounds you are taking of that? That is 4 layered wiring, means for one layer, likewise you are using the 4 layered. So 4 layer of wire you are doing here, means it is suppose a one layer, likewise you are taking the 4 layers around this. For how much meter? For 9x by 2 meter. So how much it is costing? At a time we are doing that 4 rounds and 36 rupees per meter. Per meter means for 9x by 2 how much meter you have to calculate. So what they are asking that way, per meter is that much cost they have given, means total cost of this one they have given as a 1,29,600. In the question itself they have given to you, so we're going to copy that. From this question what they asked you to find out, they said to find out breadth of this garden. So means you have to find out the value of x here. So we'll calculate the value of x from here itself. In that way if you solve these questions entirely, what you will get, see, keep x as it is equal to, keep this 129,600, that is 1,29,600 as it is. All this multiple will goes to the denominator. Okay, that is in denominator how much you will get, divide, this is only divided by not x. Okay, so x is equal, I'll write here otherwise, 1,29,600, it is divided by this 9, 2 and 36. Okay, so if you will calculate here, 9 2s I will get, and that way 9, 2 and 36 will go to the denominator, which is the multiple of this x. So in that way it will calculate this 1,29,600 by the multiplication of this one. At last you will get to 200 meter. Okay, which is I think your option number second from your textbook. You can observe in the textbook if you have, this is nothing but option number 2. So what is this x? It is nothing but your breadth. So what is the breadth of rectangle you've got? You got the breadth of rectangle as a 200 meter, as they asked you what is the breadth of rectangle. So it is nothing but 200 meter. In that way this is your answer. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this one. Okay.